Alright guys, so we're going to start with a short, sweet video about reposting videos or Instagram TV posts.
So I said, okay, went home. And
what you want to do is download the app
thought,
called Repost, which is about to show right over here. Right below booking.com. Now what you want to do is once you download the app, you want to copy the link. And it's on the right side is how you get the app. It's absolutely free. So all you have to do, like I just showed you, is you go to Instagram TV, Instagram video, and you want to copy the link. And enter the app. It automatically is going to turn that to a repost. Just waiting to load up. You click repost.
안녕하세요. 내 이름은
Ignore the 5
댄이고요.
second ad. It's
나는
only 5
의사고
seconds.
심장
You exit. You want to press copy, caption, and repost. You want to click share post, and you want to save it on Dropbox. It's absolutely for free. For some reason, it doesn't go directly to the album for myself. So we're just going to wait till it loads. As you can see, I've done for different videos and different posts. And it's going to be really quick and sweet as well. Just like that. We're going to export it and click save video. It automatically goes to your album. Just to prove it to you that it's actually been reposted right there. Now your job is not quite done yet. You don't want to post it right away because it's not positioned properly. So you want to reposition it properly so you can get all the captions, or just want to make sure the video is aesthetically visual. So that's how you repost the video without a watermark. Thanks for taking your time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.